Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500. Page cannot be loaded. Please try again later. And it gives you two options here to report this problem or refresh the page. I would assume you guys have tried refreshing the page and you still having a problem. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type ws reset. Ws reset opens up run command. Click open it. This will help you to clear cache in Microsoft Store guys. After finishing this, close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd. Opens up command prompt. Click run as administrator over here and select yes. Now in this command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space slash scan now sfc space slash scan now press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Wait for it. After finishing this 100% guys, close out of here and go to start menu and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.